welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome. I hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, you guys. And if you're new, go ahead and drop a comment down below about anything. Just say hi, and I can say hi back. Anyway, we're going to Walgreens this week just to catch a few little deals here and there. Well, without further ado, let's get into it. Hey there, you guys. So our first item is going to be this Dove body wash. We're going to go ahead and buy one woman's, or I want to say woman's, but just one plain Dove body wash. And then we're going to get another men's Dove body wash because we're going to use this coupon here, which is buy one Dove body wash product and get one men's Dove body wash product for free. They are priced at $6 this week. This coupon will take off a max value of $6. So you get 2 for $12. Use this coupon, get $6 off. Get $6. Oh yeah, get $6 off, making it 2 for $6. And then this week, if you buy 2, you are to get back a $4 register reward. That's our first transaction.
And if I had known, I would.
Alright, you guys, so my store is completely out of the Dove men's body wash, so I'm going to be unable to use that coupon, but I do have this coupon here from the Dove website that I printed off last week. I'm not 100% sure if it is still available. I got it in my email, but it states that you will get $3 off any 2 Dove products, excluding the dry sprayer antiperspirant. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick up 2 Dove body washes at $12. I'm going to use this coupon to get $3 off. So that'll be $12, $11, $10, $9. It'll be $9 that I'll pay out of pocket. I'll get $4 back, making it $5 for 2 Doves, or $2.50 each. For our next item, you guys, we are going to get these Oral-B toothbrushes here. We're going to grab the Oral-B charcoal. They are priced at $3.99. And when you buy 3 of them this week, you will get back a $6 register reward. We're going to go ahead and take advantage of the $2 off of 1 coupon and a $2 off of, and a $3 off of 2 coupon. So that'd be a total of $5 coming off. So say that's 4. So 4, 8, 12, and that's $12 minus the $5 in coupon. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. That's $7. Then we will be getting back $6. So it'll make that $1 for all 3 toothbrushes, you guys. Alright, you guys, these are the 2 coupons I was referring to. $2 off of 1 and $3 off of 2, making that a total of $5 off. But if you do see, they expire in 2 days. So if you do want to do this deal, you will have to do it within the 2 days. Alright, you guys, and another deal that I wanted to do that I'm going to be unable to do is on this 7th generation cleaning products. They're normally priced at $6.49 and $7.49 for those wipes. They are on sale this week for 20% off. And then when you buy 2, you will get a $2 register reward. We did get coupons this week. Let me show them to you. We did get coupons this week here in our, what is this, Super Saver book or Unilever book for here 70 or 25 cents off, 75 cents off, and $1 off. But my store is totally out right now, you guys, so I'm not gonna be able to participate in that deal. But if you guys do have those coupons, feel free to participate in that. All they have is these wipes here, so I'm probably gonna get something else. And my last item, you guys, today is going to be this Dial Clean and Gentle. It is on sale for 2 for $7. There is a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. You can go ahead and clip to your account. Plus, Ibotta is giving back $1.50 per dial that you buy, so it'll be $3 back. So you can say it's 2 for $7. You take 2 off, 2 for $5, get that $3 back. 2 for $2, or $1 each, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and submitted the receipt to Ibotta, and I did get back the $1.50 2 times for the Dial Clean and Clear Gentle Body Wash. But do bear in mind that some of the Ibotta rebates do differ. Also, I went ahead and submitted the receipt to Fetch, and I got back 120 points for buying the Dove body wash. So this is the first receipt, you guys. This is the 2 Doves for $12. The 2 Dials. I went ahead and I grabbed a Wet n Wild because I had to spend $20, get 5,000 points on my card. And the Wet n Wild was on clearance for only 49 cents. Also, the Remold was on sale for $2.99, and there was a $2 IBC booklet coupon. So if you guys know, I was only a penny short with just the Remold being the $0.99 because of the IBC booklet coupon. IBC booklet coupons do not work like manufacturer coupons; they are like store coupons. So that's why I grabbed that Wet n Wild for 49 cents to get me to that $20 mark. So I paid $15.48 before tax. Got back the $4 for buying the 2 Doves. Got back the $5 for the spend 20, get 5,000 points. And then I went ahead and submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back the $3 for the Dial Clean and Gentle. So that's what 4 and 5 is 9 plus 3 is 12. So it was like I only paid $3 for everything, you guys. Then for our next transactions, we went ahead and got 3 of those Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $3.99 each. We had a $5 off of 3 manufacturer coupon. That was a digital coupon. In the store, I showed you the 2 and the 3 because normally with Walgreens, the smaller value coupon comes off first. But for whatever reason, this $5 off of 3 came off instead. So I didn't complain because it was still the same $5 that I was planning to come off. So I just, went ahead with it. I really didn't even notice until my receipt printed out that it just did the 5 off of 3 coupon instead of the 2 off of 1 and the 3 off of 2. So anywho, it all worked out the same. I paid $6.97 for 3 of the toothbrushes. Got back a $6 register reward, so it was like I only paid 97 cents for all 3 toothbrushes. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoy this content and know somebody else that would enjoy this content. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.